Okay, Mr. Satya, linear equations. Linear equations. See, the first part of the lesson is how to make a linear equation or a algebraic equation. So, for example, in this textbook, they have used this for algebraic equation. So the first part is how to make it, and the second part is how to solve it. How to solve it. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So can you, can you guys do question number 4, all parts? Can you do it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, first, E part. What is the answer?
So 5x is equal to
5 multiplied by the number gives 40. So you have assumed the number to be x. So 5x is equal to 40. Mr. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, B part.
2 plus x is equal to 12.
12 is 2 more than a number. Mr. Satya, is it correct?
Sir, I got something.
So what have you written?
12 plus 2 equals x.
12 plus 2 equals x. Mr. Satya, the line is 12 is 2 more than x. So Mr. Satya, what do you think? Is this correct or is this correct?
So which you have written?
This one.
Yes.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is there a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, C part.
Z upon 3 minus 2 is equal to 0.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Z upon 3 minus 2 is equal to 0.
Mr. Satya, is it correct?
Oh, sir, I got different answer.
Okay. What have you written?
I wrote 1 upon 3 minus 3 minus 2 equals
1 upon 3
minus 3 minus 2 equals
minus.
0.
Okay. Mr. Satya, what do you think? Is this correct or is this correct? What do you think?
So the above one.
Mr. Satya, we need to read the line carefully. The difference of 1/3 of Z. So 1/3 of Z is 1/3 of Z. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we want the difference between 1/3 of Z and 2. So we want the difference between these two. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
And the answer would be 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, D part.
9x minus 3y is equal to 30.
9x minus 3y is equal to 30. Mr. Satya, what have you written?
Sir, I've written the same.
9x. See, 9 times a number. Okay. 3 times the number. Is this number and this number, are they the same number or are they the different numbers?
So different number.
Mr. Satya?
So the different number.
Sir, I think now we need to look at the English grammar. So this is a number and this is the number. So what does the mean?
So it will be the same.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So sir, it is more to do with English grammar than maths. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So 9 times a number and 3 times the number. So these two numbers are the same. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
The difference is equal to 30. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, E part.
So just a second, I'm correcting.
Mr. Satya, E part.
Sir, I wrote 1/4 into 5 plus a equals 9. I think it is wrong.
Why do you think it is wrong?
Because which sums we did before, they were like different like this. The method was, I think, different.
Have you written it like this?
I have written it like this only, sir.
Have you put a bracket here?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's try to understand the question. 1/4 of the sum of 5 and a. So I need to take the sum of 5 and a first. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Then I need to take 1/4 of this. Do you agree?
Yes.
And it would be equal to 9. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, F part?
100a plus 100 plus a is equal to 605. 100 plus a is in
Mr. Satya, what is your answer?
Sir, I wrote 100a equals 605.
100a is equal to?
60.
So what do you think? Is this correct or is this correct? Mr. Satya.
So the first one.
Okay. See, Mr. Satya, you need to read the line properly, carefully. The product of 100 and a. So the product of 100 and a would be 100a. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Added to their sum. Their sum. It means this would be added. This is the added to their sum. 100 plus a. This would be equal to 605. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
no, sir.
So this should be your final answer. This should be your final answer. Okay. Now, can you do these parts? G, H, I, J, and also try to do question number 5. In question number 5, you need to write a statement for each of the equations. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
The first one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, all the parts. All the parts.
No, sir. I didn't understand the first one.
Mr. Satya, we have done this before. Question number 5. Okay, we'll do it again. At least do these parts. At least do these parts. Okay, Mr. Satya, do you remember we have done this before?
With some, sir.
Sir, all these sums we have done it before. Do you remember? Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, go to is equal to classes Shivan. Go to this playlist, class 6-7 algebra. So, how to write algebraic expression, algebra for beginners, add, subtraction of integers, write algebraic expression. We have done all these questions before
Yeah,
also.
these video I had seen there. Seen it
We have
before
seen.
also.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, whenever you are in doubt, and please keep revising these equations because solving equations is the most basic thing in maths as well as in science. So, Mr. Sarthak, what is the answer for G part?
So just a second. Yeah. 3x plus 3 is equal to 57.
Okay. Mr. Satya, what is the meaning of consecutive numbers?
Sir, I can't tell the meaning exactly, but I know me. I can give an example like
Yeah, can
2,
you? Yeah.
4, 6.
I'm sorry.
Like 2, 4, 6.
But 2, 3, 4, these are consecutive numbers. So numbers which come one after another. Any doubt?
No,
So for example, the numbers that you had said, 2, 4, 6, they are example of consecutive even numbers. Any doubt?
no, sir.
3, 5, 7. This is an example of consecutive
Or no.
odd numbers. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So sum of three consecutive numbers is equal to 57. So let's try to understand this. So Mr. Sarthak, if the first number is x, what will be the second number?
So it can be 2x.
Beta, if the first number is 3, what will be the consecutive number after 3?
4,
What will be the number after 4?
5.
So if the first number is x, what will be the second consecutive number?
So x plus 1,
Shabash. And what will be the third number?
x plus 2.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So Mr. Satya, what will be the algebraic equation?
So once.
Mr. Sarthak?
So x plus 1 plus x plus 2.
Is equal to
57.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Mr. Sarthak, what is the answer for H?
E is equal to 22 upon minus 8.
I'm sorry.
3 is equal to 22 upon x minus 8.
22 upon. Should I write like this? Or should I write like this? What should I write?
For the second one.
Second one. Okay. Mr. Satya, what is your answer?
Sir, I got 22 upon x minus 8 equals 3.
22 upon x minus 8 equal to 3. You have written like this.
Yes.
So, Mr. Satya, what is the correct answer? Is it this or this?
Sir, I think they both are same.
Yeah, both are same. Both are same. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So the number 22 when divided by x. So 22 is divided by x. Decreased by 8. Decreased by 8 is 3. So you can write it like this or you can write it like this. Both are correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, I part.
3 plus 12 is equal to 5x.
3 plus 12 is equal to 5x.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, what have you written?
5x equals 3 plus 12.
5x equals
3 plus 12.
3 plus 12. Okay. Let us see. 5 times a number x. So 5 times a number x is 3 more than 12. So, okay, let us try to understand. Is 5x more or 12 more? Which one is the bigger number?
So they're both the same.
No, between 5x and 12.
So it says is equal 5x is equal to 3 plus 12.
Okay, what I'm trying to understand, Mr. Sarthak, is that if I only focus on 5x and 12, what I'm trying to focus is which one is bigger? So, Mr. Sarthak, what do you think?
So, but we can't decide without a value for x.
When I take this number, 5 times a number x, and in this line only, if I take 12, what do you think would be the bigger number if I look at this line only?
So I didn't understand.
Mr. Satya,
Sir, 5x. Because it
why?
is 5 times a number is more than.
So 5x a number is 3 more than 12. So 5x is more than 12. 5x is more than 12 by 3. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So 5x is the bigger number, 12 is a smaller number, and the difference is 3. So I can write this as 5x is equal to 3 plus 12. So this is okay. Mr. Sarthak, 3 plus 12 is equal to 5x is okay. Mr. Satya, 5x is equal to 3 plus 12 is okay. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So usually in questions like this, Mr. Sarthak, whenever you get confused, just try to make out. In few questions, it might help you to understand that which is the bigger number. At times, this helps a lot. Okay, Mr. Sarthak, J what?
M upon 3 is equal to 5 plus 18.
Mr. Satya,
So I got 1 upon 3 into m equals 5 plus 8.
Mr. Satya, which is correct?
So they both are same.
Both are same.
So,
Mr.
but
Sarthak,
algebra, we can't use the multiplication sign.
no, who has told you this? Why can't we write a multiplication sign? You can write it like this. Nobody stops you from writing like this. So I can write like m by 3. I can write it like 1 by 3m. I can write it like 1 by 3 into m. So usually people will like this. But even if you are writing like this or this, so for example, when you are starting algebra, there are students who are more comfortable writing like this. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So there is no rule which say that you can't write like this. So usually when you are starting algebra, so the beginners usually feel comfortable when they can write it, when they write like this, because when they see, usually people get confused between 1 by 3m and m by 3, but they are the same thing. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So 1/3 of a number m is 5 more than 18. So, Mr. Satya, which is the bigger number?
So 1/3 of a number m I think is bigger. Yeah. Because it is more than 18. That's right.
Shabash. So, I can very well write it like 1/3 m minus 18 is equal to 5. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So, what I'm trying to tell you guys is that I can write it like this, or I can write it like this, or I can write it like this. as per my comfort, I can write it as I want. All the three versions are correct. Mr. Satyani doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, have you done question number 5?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak? A part?
So difference of 3 times x 4 is 11.
Mr. Satya?
3 times a number x when subtracted by 4 equals 11.
I think both are correct. Or if you want to write it like this, you can write it 3 times a number is 4 more than 11. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So basically, I am writing this as 3x is equal to 4 plus 11. And then I am following this format that 5 times a number is 3 more than 12. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Mr. Sarthak, B part.
So 7 multiplied by p is 84.
Mr. Satya.
7 times p gives 84.
Yeah, 7 times P gives 84. 7 times a number is 84. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, what is the answer for C part? Mr. Satya, what is the answer for C part?
Sum of 1 upon 8 of number x and 25 is equal to minus 1.
Sum of 1/8 of a number and 25 is minus 1. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, if it is written like x by 8 is equal to ठीक है. D part. Mr. Sarthak.
The difference of a and b multiplied by 2 is 8.
Mr. Satya.
2 times a minus b gives 8.
Okay. Twice of difference of A and B is 8. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Or you can write it as twice the difference of A and B is 8. What, howsoever you are comfortable with. Okay. So Sarthak, E part.
5.5 times x minus 6 is equal to, no, is 10.5.
Mr. Satya.
5.5 times subtracted by 6 is 10.5.
Okay. So for example, I write it like this here. 5.5x is equal to 6 plus 10.5. And I write it like 5.5 times x is 6 more than 10.5. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Or I can write it like 5.5x minus 10.5 is equal to x. And I write it like difference of 5.5 times a number and 10.5 is 6. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, F what?
2 1/3 times x added to 10 is 3.
Mr. Satya?
2, 1/3. No, sir. I didn't
Okay.
understand it
Okay.
exactly.
Okay. Okay. Again, Mr. Satya, I can write this as sum of 2 1/3 times x and 10 is 3. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you guys do question number 2, all parts?
What, sir?
Question number 2, can you do all the parts?
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
all the parts, please. Mr. Sarthak, A part.
5 plus x is equal to 9.
5 added to a number is 9, correct. Mr. Satya, B part.
3 minus x equals 12.
Shabash. Mr. Sarthak,
So it should be x minus 3 because
3
it's
is
from. So it's from.
correct. Mr. Satya,
Sir, I got 5x minus 2 equals 9.
Bache, what Sarthak is saying is it should be 3 subtracted from a number. So it should be x minus 3 is equal to 12. Mr. Sarthak, you are correct. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay. Mr. Satya, C part.
5x minus 2 equals 9.
Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, D part.
2 bracket x plus 7 bracket close equals 30.
Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Mr. Sarthak, E part.
5x is equal to 40.
5x is equal to 40. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, what will be F?
12 equals 5x.
12 is more than a number x by 5. Mr. Sarthak, what is your answer?
So I couldn't do it.
Mr. Rudra,
हाँ सर
F. Mr. Rudra,
हाँ सर
बताइए F. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, 12 is more than a number x by 5. So 12 is more than a number x by 5. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
So no, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, that is what I'm trying to tell you. In all these questions, just try to, figure out which number would be bigger. Is 12 bigger or x bigger? Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So if you just try to figure out which is a bigger number, so 12 is more than a number x by 5. So it seems that 12 is a bigger number,
Yes, sir.
more than a number x. So this is the second number. So this will be the first number, this will be the second number. And what is the difference? How much is it bigger? It is bigger than 5, so this will come here. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, G part?
1/4 minus x minus 5 equals 0.
Mr. Satya, Mr. Sarthak,
X upon 4 minus 5 is equal to 0.
x upon 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Mr. Satya, you can also write this as, like earlier you have written 1/4 of x and 5 is equal to 0. Or you are, if you are still not comfortable, 1/4 of x minus 5 is equal to 0. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Mr. Satya, H part?
6x equals 54.
Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
So, yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, I part?
X divided by 6 equals 7.
X divided by 6 equals 7. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, J part?
8x equals 31. Okay, so it's wrong.
Yeah. Mr. Sarthak, what would be the correct answer?
So 8 minus x is equal to 31.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
8 less than the number is 31. So should it be 8 minus x is equal to 31, or should it be x minus 8 is equal to 31? What is the correct answer?
The first one, so 8 minus.
Mr. Sarthak.
So 8 minus x is equal to 31.
8 less than the number is x. Okay. K part. Mr. Satya.
9x equals 72.
9x is equal to 72. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay? Mr. Sarthak. Okay. Mr. Satya. L part.
3x equals 2 plus 5.
3x is equal to 2 plus 5. So let us try to check. 3 times a number. So that would be 3x. Is 2 more than 5? Is 2 more than 5? So Mr. Satya, which is the bigger number? Is it 3 times x or 5?
3 times x.
So 3x minus 5 is equal to 2, or 3x is equal to 5 plus 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, M part?
Z upon 5 is equal to 3.
Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, N part?
Y upon 5 minus 2 is equal to 5.
Y upon 5 minus 2 is equal to 5. Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.